Today I show you how to insert a battery in Lenovo Wireless Mouse N100. I recently purchased a wireless mouse from Amazon. So I'm trying to insert the battery in mouse. So first you open your box, mouse box. In this box you got a user manual, warranty card, and something this. So this is your mouse. This is a free battery. It's come with your USB mouse. So in an old USB mouse, the insert battery option is here, but in new mouse there are no options in the behind of this mouse. And in the old mouse, we are using the small batteries, but they are but in new mouse we using a big battery, A4 size A size battery. So how can we insert this battery to this mouse? So first, see, there are no option to insert this battery, no option. So what we do, so you two finger put here and press easily. This is your place where you put the A battery. Here is a minus, so you put your battery minus here, and here is a plus. Now your battery is inserted, and there is a place from your USB device. It insert to your laptop for accessing the mouse to your system, and after inserting your battery, put your mouse cover to here. Now it inserts. After that, you have to place your mouse USB device to your laptop. Insert this here. See this. I insert the mouse USB device here, and then after the on off options here. So I on. Now is mouse is on. So I see this. Mouse is running. So it is a basic tutorial for inserting the battery in Lenovo-N100 mouse. Hopefully it's useful for your knowledge.